This is the redesigned Sea Ray SPX 190, available in stern drive or outboard power. We're going to look at the stern drive today and walk you through the features of this boat. The standard power on the stern drive is a 200 horsepower Mercruiser with Alpha 1 drive or a 250 horsepower Mercruiser with Alpha 1 drive. Most people, when they choose a stern drive, choose it because of the open, expansive transom area. Gives you a nice broad swim platform. You can opt for a flip down swim step, and you also have a standard telescopic stainless steel ladder that's deck mounted. Over on the starboard side is the pass-through into the cockpit. In the deck here on the pass-through is storage that's concealed. It's a great place to put shoes, lines, fenders, things like that. Another great feature on this 190 is the big sun lounge in the back of the boat, and underneath the sun pad is access to your engine. As with all Sea Rays, the SPX 190 is really designed around family and friends and entertaining. Starting in the back here, you have a built-in cooler with a drain for storing your drinks. There's storage under all these seats. Over on the port side, you have a reversible backrest for your companion seats, forward-facing, or you can turn into a rear-facing lounger. Stainless steel cup holders are down here, convenient access, and notice this nice upholstery detail with this embroidery. Here at the helm, you really have a sporty and luxurious feel. There's no need for analog gauges because you have a standard NSX Simrad display giving you engine information and charts. You have toggle switches here on the right-hand side that are clearly labeled, a tilt steering wheel. The helm seat is a bucket style, and it's got swivel and slide adjust. There's also a built-in bolster that flips up easily, improving your visibility so you can see over any riders in the bow. Also at the helm, you have two stainless steel cup holders. There's USB charging outlets for USB A and C, and a fusion head unit. For those that love water sports, this is a great boat. It has an optional water sports tower with a ski tow point. There's also this foldable canvas bimini. Gives you excellent shade coverage. Over at your port companion seat, you have a grab handle that's stainless steel, your fusion speaker, and a lockable glove box for additional storage. As we move forward, in the pass-through on this boat, on the port side, there's storage for your filler cushions should you get the comfort bundle for the bow fillers. Here in the bow, there's additional cup holders. There's also more storage on the port and the starboard side. You have this nice U-shaped lounge. If you want to close this off and make it a big sun lounge in the bow, there's removable cushions you can add with the comfort bundle. To keep your riders secure, you have stainless steel grab handles, entertainment with the Fusion audio speakers, stainless steel cleats, and a built-in anchor locker. Thanks for joining us on the tour of the SPX 190. To find out more information, visit searay.com.